Hey everyone, it's Fariel at Techmetric, and in this video, I'm going to show you guys how to use the Nexpart multi-seller integration. This integration allows you to shop through multiple suppliers in one window rather than needing to punch out for every single vendor. So to get started, you're going to go to Shop Settings, the Integrations tab, and scroll down until you find the Nexpart integration card. And click Manage, and you're going to add your username and password. And here is a toggle where you can choose if you want to review and submit your orders from within Nexpart Multiseller rather than finishing the order in Techmetric. And I will show you guys both of these options here in this video. So in the first flow, I'm going to have this turned off so you can see how you can just submit the order in Techmetric. I'm going to navigate to a repair order. And let's go ahead and shop for a cabin air filter through Nexpart. And now we're going to look for the cabin air filter real quick. And here you'll notice I can shop through multiple suppliers. So in this example, Tampa Auto Bay, I can go to Southwest Dealer Group, Lake Auto Parts, and it'll kind of compare their availability as well as their pricing. So in this example, I'm just going to order real quick from here and get my quote. And now I'm going to navigate to my cart and send the info to Techmetric. Click continue, and now you'll see we have a quoted part on this repair order. And then once your customer approves this job and you need to actually place the order, you can go ahead and click quoted or go to the parts hub at the top right corner. And when you go to the quoted section, you then can just submit order, continue with order, and then you'll see it says placing part orders. This is just automatically sending the order straight into Nexpart and placing the order for you. And now you'll see that the part is marked as ordered rather than quoted. Now for the other flow that I was mentioning, if you ever need to punch out to Nexpart for whatever reason, like shipping or any details you always want to update before ordering or you'd like to review, you just need to toggle this on and click save. And now we're going to go back into the repair order and let's just shop for brake pads and rotors. We'll do a brake pad set. And I will go ahead to Southwest Florida just to show you a different vendor. Add that here. And now I also want rotors. So let's look for brake rotors. In this example, I can also just grab some from Tampa and even a different location. Click add cart, add to cart. And now we're going to send this info to Techmetric to get our quote. Click continue. And now we're going to save the job and these are quoted. Now, whenever you're ready to order, like the previous part, you're going to click the quoted status or go to Parts Hub. And now you're going to click submit order. Now, when you do this, it is going to auto punch you out into Nexpart because you had enabled that toggle in the settings section I previously showed. So you can go ahead and review this order, change anything you would need to change if you would like. And whenever you're done reviewing, you're going to go ahead and place the order. And once the order is placed, you're going to send the info to Techmetric. And now if you refresh the page, we will grab the order details and now you'll notice they are considered ordered on the job. If you have any questions on how the Nexpart multi-seller works, please do not hesitate to contact our support team. Have a wonderful day.